How to create a Telegram account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Telegram account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you have the Telegram app. So you can download the app from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you download the app, you can then open it up and this is what the first page should look like. Simply tap on Start Messaging. And now what you'll need to do is type in your mobile number. Type in your mobile number so you can get a code. You can change your country code from here as well. You can tap on your country here and change it. After that, type in your mobile number. After you type in your mobile number and tap on continue, you will then have to type in your email address. So type in your email address. Then you will need to check your email for the code. So simply open up your email to check for any code that you receive and type that code in right here. So I'll just do that, and after you type in the code, you'll also receive an SMS on your mobile phone. So after you receive the SMS on your mobile phone as well, type that in here. After you do that, you'll have just created your Telegram account, and it's that simple. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.